Cryptography basics. We start the new room inside the cybersecurity module. Task number 1, introduction. Have you ever wondered how to prevent third parties from reading your messages? How can your app or web browser build a secure channel with a remote server? By secure, we mean that no one can read or alter the exchange data. Furthermore, we can be confident that we are connecting with the real server. Thanks to cryptography, these requirements are satisfied. Cryptography lays the foundation for our digital world. While networking protocols have made it possible for devices spread across the globe to communicate, cryptography has made it possible to trust this communication. This room is the first of 3 introductory rooms about cryptography. There are no learning prerequisites except basic abilities to use the Linux command line. If you're not sure, please consider joining the pre-security path. So we have 3 rooms as we read: cryptography basics, which is this room, public key cryptography basics, and then hashing basics. Learning objectives. Upon completing this room, you will learn the following: cryptography key terms, importance of cryptography, Caesar ciphers, standard symmetric ciphers, common asymmetric ciphers, common asymmetric ciphers, basic mathematics commonly used in cryptography. Answer the questions below. I'm ready to start learning about cryptography.